Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about another strategy I have to enter trades, which is the week out of the cloud or week off the cloud. So basically what you want to see here, and I'm going to explain this one in the entry chart, basically on Crude, just because there are more touches to the cloud. So let me go there. Let me go to the indicators. And I'm gonna delete, or not going to delete, I'm gonna deactivate in my indicators. I'm gonna deactivate all the ones that are not. So to deactivate, you go there where this one is deactivated. Visible, no visible. So I'm gonna take that one. I'm gonna leave the Ichimoku cloud. The Renko price, I'm gonna leave it there. Opening range, I'm gonna leave it there. And then Q momentum, pivots, I'm gonna leave them there. So basically what I'm looking for are all the moving averages. SMA, that one. Just 1 second, that one. See if that would make it. Yeah, that's good. So basically here you have the Ichimoku cloud, and when the price is below this, you are looking for shorts. Basically, you have to consider the moving average. I do consider the moving averages as well, but this setup is just to considering the touch to the Ichimoku cloud. Now, if the green area or the red area are too extended, you have to think twice if you want to take it or not. If the market is really trending, probably this one is going to be in a large move, right? Like this overnight on this overnight action on the 23rd. Okay, so let's review and let's see what is the setup. So basically, it's very simple. You go there, you see you're seeing price movement below the Ichimoku cloud. Then there's a cross here off of the Ichimoku cloud. That is not what we're looking for. What we're looking for in this setup is when this week, the white thin area of the candle touches and closes below the bar closes below that Ichimoku cloud, in case that you are bearish in the market, right? So so in this candle here, the price just closed. Let's go to my little tool here, and I'm gonna put this one in yellow to see it better. So that point there, when that bar closes, then that is when I enter at least. Now that one is a good example of an Ichimoku or a week out of the cloud. Now you don't have anything here, you don't have anything here, you don't have anything here, you don't have anything here. Price already moved a little bit, so now you have to be conscious of if you want to take it or not. It depends on your risk tolerance. But this one here, it's another one. So that the take is going to be right there, or by further confirmation. it could be there. I normally take it in the first week, in the first close of the bar. So that one there, if I'm wrong, then I'm gonna exit it out of there. But you know, it's in consolidation. The market is in consolidation, and it's not a break. So you have to I mean, you're kind of taking the extra risk if you want to take this entry. Oops. Okay. So now you have another, so that one was one, and then you have another week out of the cloud. This one doesn't touch the cloud. It's very close, but it's not touching the cloud, right? This one, it goes in the cloud and then out of the cloud. So that one is that one there is a good entry right there. So pretty simple to identify. Right there, you have another one. Now it's very extended, right? So you see that the red hasn't been, I mean, the Ichimoku cloud hasn't been green for a while. Now moving to the upside, you don't have any entry here. That you would have that one and probably this one, but it's already too extended. So let's see here what happens. That one there would be a week out of the cloud. Now market is bearish, so we'll see what we should see also what the moving averages are doing. Nothing there. Let's see what happens here. So it seems that there's a week out of the cloud already extended as well. Probably that one is worth taking. I don't know. Maybe no, it's a little bit too extended here, so. That one is closed, but it doesn't go out of the cloud. So the idea is that the price goes in the cloud and then out of the cloud. So market is consolidating heavily here. There's a week out of the cloud right there, even though it's red. It's a week out of the cloud. Went inside, in this case is making a reversal and goes up. Now it's a little bit noisy here, so probably you would be stopped out, but then you would try to enter it again. Once there, you failed, and then you have another entry. So the third time probably would work if you are persistent, but nothing there. Right there, you have a week out of the cloud right there. To the bearish side, failed. Not touching, a little bit above. Market is closing. Okay, not that many examples, huh? Okay, now let's look for other areas. Okay, so here's one. Right there, you have momentum coming down. Market is open. You go into the cloud, touch it, and then you have, this one is a good one just because you have 2 weeks that are going out of the cloud. So you have 1 week there and another one there. Hopefully you can see that one. So that one is the first week, and then this one is the second week. You would take this one right here, or if you don't, because you're hesitating, you can see here that this one is turning green in the momentum right there, but also you have another opportunity to enter right there just because of this week. See, at some point when you're up here, you will see that this bar goes down, and then you will say, okay, it failed. But then you have another. It really actually closed above this one, and then you have a winner right there, probably with a winner. Which is going to be the 6th bar or 7th bar in this case, if you enter it here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first target, I'm gonna paint it in orange here. So you have first target around this area, and then if the second contract could reach that one there. So that one is probably 2 or maybe $600 right there. Oops. Okay. Another week out of the cloud. Now the problem on this one is that you are inside the opening range. Now you can take it and risk it, right? So let's see what happened. I'm gonna take it. I was stopped out right there. Another week out of the cloud. Now you at this point you have to give up, right? Two trades in a row that are not successful, then it seems that you are in the choppy area. And then look at that, moved strongly to the downside right here. Nothing. You have a week out of the cloud right there. That one there comes in and out, still in consolidation. There are some support right here, so conscious, and really took you out for a break even right there. This one went too deep into the other side, so I would not take it. And still you're in consolidation here. So easy to identify. Now, what is this one here? This one is actually a week out of the cloud as well. It is not a pivot, but the price went in and kicked out and then moved away. And then you have here, let me mark this price right there. Where is it? So you have to be cautious of this previous pivot, and it's a pivot because you do have 2 bars to the downside in the back, and then 2 in the front. So it's a pivot. This one is not a pivot. This one is kind of like a reverse and continuation. Actually, it's not a pivot. This one here, it's another pivot right there. So lots of support in this case. You are in consolidation, so really compression. Let's put it compression. But you are in the range, so really difficult there. Let's see if we find another one. Did we talk about this one? It seems that we did, yes. There's a week out of the cloud there in the right here. There's a week out of the cloud opening on, what date is this? September 21st. There's a week out of the cloud right there, but very close to the opening range right there. So if it's too close, it's better to wait until crosses, right? Then make a double bottom here, then came back out and give you another potential entry for a week out of the cloud. Didn't touch it, very close, and then had a break. But this one could be considered a week out of the cloud. It's especially because it did also a lower high, very similar to, but lower high. So yeah, that's the name of this game. Weeks out of the cloud. Look at this one. This one is a nice. It's inside the consolidation area overnight as well. So 12 midnight, probably you wouldn't be awake to take it. Awake to take it. There's a couple here in a bull trend. Let's see if we have one clean one. These are more bounce out of the moving averages than weeks out of the cloud. But this one here, it's a week out of the cloud right there. So that one there. That one is a week out of the cloud. This one would be a week out of the cloud that failed as well. This one, already very extended. Look at this red line. This one is the extension. This one here is the extension of the opening range. Right there. So when you extend it, you have halfway there and then full twice right there. So what I'm saying is that this distance here replicates to this one, and then that one replicates to this one. So it's really extended. Okay, so that is a week out of the cloud strategy, and thank you for watching.